Okay, we have a hummingbird stuck in our garage. So, and my brother's friend Ron is gonna try to get it down. Okay, here we go. Where'd it go?
Come on, birdie. You're good now.
I can't wait till he bites you.
Just don't fall backwards.
This way. Oh, shit. Get down! What the fuck? Dude, you see that shit? What the fuck is it? It's caught in the shit.
Oh no!
Get it down! Hurry, poke it!
Down.
Get it down!
Oh shit. Come here, bird. You're gonna get out. Keep going down. Keep going down. Keep going down. Keep going down. This way. This way. This way. This way.
It's like Olympics with the bird.
This way. Get on the stick. The stick will take you to stick. Dumbass. Come here, bird. Okay. Down the finger. Come here. Come on. Come on, bird. This is your safety. Down the finger, bird. Come on, bird. Get down the finger. Come on now. What you doing, bird? Get on. Come on. Come on. Come on. God damn it. Come here. This is the wrong thing.
It's back on the ledge.
It's it, bird. Where'd you go?
It's still on.
Reach it from there. Get to the stick. Get up to the corner. Stay there. Stay there. No. Good. Good. Good bird. Stay there. Good job. Keep going. Head towards the light. That way. No, no, no. That way. Not the window. Not the window. No, 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 the other way. No, damn it. No. Other fucking way.
Do you want me to take the stick?
He seems like he's got a little more trust in you.
Here.
Take the stick. Just don't
Yeah,
shake
oh.
it too much. Damn it.
No.
Give me a stick. Give me a stick. No, other way. No, not that. No.
All right. I can do this.
Don't shake the stick. Now take it to outside.
Ah, no, shit! Oh, I hit the stool. Come on, Bert, come on, Bert. No! might.
Don't stand on the chairs.
Get Cardi. Get on the stick. Yeah, no, get on the stick.
On the other side. Here, you take it.
I don't want it.
Get on the stick, get on the stick. Stick, get on the stick. Stick, get on the stick. There you go. Stick. Keep on the stick. Stay on the stick. It's just rocking. Stick. Keep on it. Keep on it now. Keep it. Stay on it. Stay on it. You're almost free. Look at it.
Oh.
He's free!
Almost.
No. What are you doing?
Go.
Oh, so it sits right there.
Well, now it's just keeping its, probably just getting energy back.